Alexa began with Amazon Echo, introducing the world to new voice-forward experiences and enabling developers to build thousands of skills that made it possible to connect to other services and products. Through the Alexa voice service, Amazon has simplified the creation of conversational interfaces for device makers. This allows developers to add Alexa and intelligent voice control to new products, from mobile phones and cars to smart home appliances and smart speakers, bringing magical hands-free voice experiences to customers. The Alexa voice service lives in the cloud. It's always getting smarter through API updates, new features, and Alexa skills. AVS offers a comprehensive suite of development tools and resources, from technical documentation and development kits to prototyping projects and APIs, making it even faster and easier to build and launch Alexa-enabled products. Build your first Alexa-enabled prototype today. Visit the AVS Developer Portal to get started with our hardware and software development tools. What will you create?